Paper 2 we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, that is the behavioral sciences. Okay, in this part A, that is the psychology subject. Okay, here fourth unit we are going to discuss. Okay, that is the unit name is the learning. Okay, in this learning we are going to discuss part 1 video regarding learning. Okay, here what is meant by learning? Why it will be there in the psychology means as a human being we should learn everything. Okay, by learning only we are make perfect. Okay, without learning we can't perfect. Okay, how much of process or how much of content we are going to learn means that much of performance is there by the practically. Okay, without learning, without practice, the human being cannot be success in their life. Okay, for leading their normal life or common life also the learning is very important. Why? Because in society so many people is there, group of people is there. Okay, in between group of people the human being as a one individual, he should stay in group of people. Okay, how we have to behave in front of group of people. Okay, what is the our performance in front of group of people. Okay, if our performance should be failure means some side effects will be there by the group. Why? Because in society so many people is there, different people, different behavior having. Okay, if your behavior or as a individual our behavior is bad means then also we should get some type of side effects from the bad behavior also. Okay, how to change from bad behavior to good behavior? By learning only. Okay, by good learning. When we are improving our learning capacity, then only we are having a good person in the society. ఓకే, లర్నింగ్ అనేది ఏంటి అంటే నేర్చుకోవడం. ఓకే, మనం ఎంత నేర్చుకుంటే ఓకే మనం ఎంత అయితే నేర్చుకుంటామో ఈ యొక్క సమాజంలో అందరి వ్యక్తుల మధ్య మనం నేర్చుకున్న దాన్ని మంచిగా ప్రవర్తించాలి. ఓకే, మనం ఏదైతే నేర్చుకున్నామో దాన్ని వాళ్ళ ముందు చూపించడం వల్ల, మంచి పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఇవ్వడం వల్ల ఒక గుడ్ పర్సన్గా, గుడ్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్గా ఉండిపోతాం సొసైటీలో. Okay, why? Because first of all you should communicate with the elders or the who is there in the respected persons means you should give some respect to them. Okay, how to learn? By practice only. Every day who is there in a elder person or who is there in our respected people, you should give some respect throughout the normal life. Okay, then only we should wish in every day to the all people. ఓకే, మనం గౌరవించడం అనేది చిన్న వయసు నుంచి అలవాటు చేసుకోవడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది, పెరుగుతున్న కొద్దీ మన యొక్క గౌరవం పెరుగుతుంది, గౌరవించే విధానం పెరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, దాట్స్ వై వీ షుడ్ లర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ ద చైల్డ్హుడ్ స్టేజ్ ఆల్సో వీ షుడ్ లర్న్ సంథింగ్. ఓకే, వితౌట్ లర్నింగ్ వీ కాంట్ యాజ్ ఏ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ ఇన్ ద సొసైటీ. ఓకే, దాట్స్ వై దిస్ టాపిక్ విల్ బి దేర్ ఇన్ ద సైకాలజీ. Okay, here first of all we should learn about definition of learning. Okay, what is the definition of learning? Means here it is a one process, means continuous process. One day we should learn means that will not finished throughout the life, continuous process. Okay, by the day by day the learning will be there. Each and every person's compulsory learn something. Okay, we should not learn complete on one day. Okay, we should learn throughout life, continuous process, furtherly, futurely. Okay, every day, every minute we should learn something only. That's why the learning is a process by which what happens means behavior is originated. Okay, in this continuous process we should originate some behavior by the changes through the practice. Okay, by learning we are changing our behavior in the common society or in normal life or in any situations. Okay, our behavior should be changed. Okay, in each and every situation, each and every moment the human being behavior will be very different. Okay, we should behave in every situation equal means then also we should get some problems. Okay, that's why we should learn something, and we should behave each and every situation is different. Next here what happens means the learning process will be, it is a changes of behavior through the practice or training. Okay, by training or by practice our behavior should be changed. Without practice, without training, we can't learn. That's why each and every individual having some training period, some learning period, or some practice period for learning. Okay, this is the definition given by the Kingsley and Gary. Okay, Kingsley and Gary is defined this learning process. Okay, learning nothing but learning is a continuous process by which the behavior should be originated, and through the behavior should be changes through the training or practice. Okay, we should have some training, we should have some practice. Okay, we should learn something by practice only. Okay, when we want to do something means first of all we should learn practically. Okay, then only we should finalize that performance. Okay, for example as a students we are learning something, no? Okay, in our course, in our training, we should have final exams on first day. No, when we enter into the first year of this JNM first year group, we should have some some period for training, period for learning of about this complete situation or complete course. Okay, each and every person having the some training period, some practice period for each and every situation learning. Okay, on the day or on hour, on moment, we should not learn completely. Okay, when we have some training, when we have some practice, then only we get some perfectness. Okay, without practice we can't perfect. Okay, this is the definition of learning. అంటే నేర్చుకోవడం అనేది ఒకే రోజులో ఒకే నిమిషంలో రాదు. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక జిఎన్ఎం కోర్స్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాం, లేదా ఇంటర్ కోర్స్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ చదవాలనుకుంటున్నాం, లేదా 10th క్లాస్ చదవాలనుకుంటున్నాం. అంటే ఒక రోజులో మన యొక్క 10th క్లాస్ పూర్తి అవుతుందా, ఒక రోజులో మన ఇంటర్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతుందా? నో, ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ కోర్స్ హ్యావింగ్ సమ్ ట్రైనింగ్ పీరియడ్, సమ్ ప్రాక్టీస్. Okay, in for example in intermediate, what happens means in some internal exams is there. Okay, first unit test, okay, 3 unit test or pre-final, next final exams. Okay, then only we got some success in our intermediate course. Okay, without practice, without training, we can't success in our life or in our every moment. ఓకే, ఏదైనా ఒక దాన్ని సాధించాలి అని అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వీ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ సమ్ ప్రాక్టీస్. ఓకే, వీ షుడ్ గెట్ సమ్ ట్రైనింగ్ రిగార్డింగ్ దట్ పర్టిక్యులర్ సిచ్యువేషన్. ఓకే, దెన్ ఓన్లీ we get some successness in particular situation. Okay, next nature of learning. We are going to discuss about nature of learning. What is there means in nature of learning? Here learning is a adjustment. First of all, who are going to learn something, those are having a adjustment only. Okay, in each and every moment you have some adjustment. Why? Because you are a one social animal in the society, no? Okay, in society group of people is there, no? Okay, in between you have some good behaviorness and good adjustment in society, then only you are success in your life, and then only you are learning more. Okay, without adjustment we can't learn. Okay, when you are having some adjustment in their life, then only you are getting more information regarding each and every situation. Okay, this is the one nature of learning, nothing but నేర్చుకునేటటువంటి స్వభావం. ఓకే, ఎలా ఉండాలి నేర్చుకునే వాళ్ళు, లెర్నర్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళ యొక్క స్వభావం ఏంటి, ఏ విధంగా ఉండాలి. Okay, this is the one first nature, that is the learning is the adjustment. Okay, another one, that is the learning is improvement. Okay, through the learning we should get some improvement of knowledge. Okay, in each and every situation we are improving our event. Okay, we are improving our knowledge and skills by learning only. Without learning we can't improve our knowledge. ఏదైనా ఒకటి నేర్చుకుంటేనే మన యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ స్కిల్స్ అనేవి పెరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. మనం ఇలాంటివి ఇలా నేర్చుకోలేదు, చదవలేదు, అసలు రాయలేదు, ప్రాక్టీస్ లేదు, ట్రైనింగ్ లేదు అని అంటే మనం దాని గురించి సక్సెస్ఫుల్ అవ్వగలుగుతామో, దాని గురించి సంబంధించినటువంటి నాలెడ్జ్ మన దగ్గర ఉంటుందో ఉండదు. ఓకే, వెన్ వి విల్ స్టార్ట్ ఫర్ లెర్నింగ్ దెన్ ఓన్లీ we will get some improvement in our learning. ఓకే, మనం ఎప్పుడైతే ప్రయత్నిస్తామో అప్పుడు మనకి కంపల్సరీ మన యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ స్కిల్స్ అనేవి ఇంప్రూవ్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద సెకండ్ నేచర్ ఫర్ ద లెర్నింగ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ అనదర్ వన్, దట్ ఈస్ ద లెర్నింగ్ ఆర్గనైజింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. Okay, learning is one of the organizing experience. Means first of all the person or the individual compulsory have some knowledge, some skills, some experience in their life. Okay, each and every situation the individual compulsory have some experience. Okay, after completion of that particular period they are giving some experience, they are sharing some experience to the other persons. Okay, we will completed one step, means we are entered to the second step, then we are sharing first step experience to the unknown people. ఓకే, మనం ఒక స్టెప్ని సక్సెస్ అవ్వగలిగినాం, ఒక స్టెప్లో సాధించగలిగినాం అంటే ఈ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ని తెలియని వాళ్ళకి షేర్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా కంప్లీట్ అయింది. ఓకే, జేఎన్ఎం ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లో ఎంటర్ అయినాం. ఓకే, ఇంటర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ చదువుతున్నటువంటి స్టూడెంట్స్కి మన యొక్క ఇంటర్మీడియట్ కంప్లీట్ అయినటువంటి అనుభవాలని వాళ్ళతో షేర్ చేసుకుంటాం. దానివల్ల ఏమవుతుంది అంటే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్ పర్సన్స్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ని షేర్ చేసుకోవడం వలన అన్నోన్ పీపుల్కి పర్టికులర్ నాలెడ్జ్ అనేది ఇంప్రూవ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఈ అనుభవాల ద్వారా కూడా మనం నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. సో సమ్ పీపుల్ విల్ బి గివింగ్ సమ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఫీలింగ్స్ దే ఆర్ షేరింగ్ టు ద అదర్స్. Okay, then you have some concentrate on experienced feelings who are giving. ఓకే, ఎవరైతే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్ పర్సన్స్ ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళ యొక్క అనుభవాలను షేర్ చేసుకుంటున్నప్పుడు నీవు ఏం చేయాలి, ఒక గుడ్ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ పెట్టి ఒక శ్రద్ధతో ఆ అనుభవాలని రిసీవ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, ఆ అనుభవాలలో కూడా సమ్ we want to learn. Okay, next another one, that is the learning brings behavioral changes. Okay, by the learning we should change our behavior. Sometimes negative behavior is there or antisocial behavior is there or some abnormal behavior is there in the individuals. Means okay, by the learning we should prevent these all abnormal behavior or negative behavior which is there in the children or which is there in the individuals. Okay, by learning we should control this abnormal learning. Okay, we should improve positive learning, we should control antisocial behavior in the children or individuals. Okay, next this is also one nature. Another one is the learning is active. Okay, learning is active, nothing but who are going to learn, that person we are called as the learner. Okay, the learner having the active or activity in that particular situation for learning everything. Okay, he should show some active nature in that particular situation. అంటే నేర్చుకోవాలి అనుకునే వాళ్ళు ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళు ఎలా ఉండాలి అంటే శ్రద్ధతో నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఓకే, వాళ్ళకంటూ ఒక ఏంటి నేర్చుకోవాలనే తపన ఉండాలి అన్నమాట. ఓకే, దే ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ సమ్ డిజైర్ ఫర్ లెర్నింగ్. Okay, without desire, without interest, without activeness of a person we can't learning. Okay, for example if our management introduced this YouTube channel, no? Okay, as the students we should have active learning. Okay, we should open this link and we should observe each and every video what is there. Okay, by this way only we are learning something, no? Okay, why? Because the students are when actively means then they are learning each and every videos what is there. Okay, any new event or any new awareness, new knowledge will be there in that new knowledge, new environment should be receiving by the students or the activity persons who is there, who are going to learning anything. Okay, next another one, that is the learning goal directed. Okay, by learning what we have to do means some, for example, the individual having any goal. Okay, any aims is there means for reaching their aim for fulfill their goals. Okay, they are having one direction, one good way, which is the better way for success, or which is a good way for receiving our aims or success, our goals, which is the way means by learning only. Okay, for example, you should have one desire, one aim, that is the we are success in our JNM first year. Okay, like that you have one aim or one ambition means okay, by following some directions or some ways which is there in that management which is provided means strictly you are following that better way means you should success in your life. Okay, means it is a one way సాధించడానికి ఒక మార్గం అన్నమాట. ఓకే, నేర్చుకోవడం వలన మనం ఏదైతే సాధించాలనుకుంటున్నామో దాన్ని ఖచ్చితంగా సాధించగలుగుతాం. ఓకే, ఒక మార్గం లాంటిది. నెక్స్ట్ అనదర్ వన్, దట్ ఈస్ ద లెర్నింగ్ ఈజ్ ఏ యూనివర్సల్ అండ్ కంటిన్యూస్. Okay, the learning process will be universal and continuous process throughout the life, day to day, minute to minute, each and every situation the individual or the students or persons who are living in the society, those are learn each and every situation and daily. Okay, next another one, that is the okay, these are the nature of learning.